We are on Baba Metzia, Paragimel Mishnah Chet, 8th Mishnah, 3rd chapter Baba Metzia. Okay, but we're going to continue our last Mishnah, which talked about chesronot, meaning when a person is given items or produce to watch, and he mixes it with his own stuff, so when he returns it, he returns a little bit less, because that's the amount of rat, or the amount that the mice eat. So that was our last Mishnah. And our Mishnah talks about liquids. Yotzilo shtut yayin. Okay, so if he gives him wine, then he can deduct a sixth. Why a shtut yayin? Because a kankanim bolim shtut, because the kankanim, the jugs, were made of earthenware, and they just absorbed a tremendous amount of wine. Rabbi Yehuda Omer chomet. Rabbi Yehuda says not a sixth, a fifth. Yotzilo shloshet lugin shemen lameah. So every 100 lug of shemen, a lug, I don't know how much that was. Okay, he should deduct 3 lug of shemen. Log umechza shmarim, log umechza bala. So what happens is when they poured in, it wasn't like our olive oil is totally pure, but their olive oil, of course, when they crushed it, so there's shmarim. Same thing with wine. There's residue, there's sediment. So when he pours in his wine, okay, so he gave you some sediment, and when you give him back the wine, it all settled. The oil, it all settles. So some of it is absorbed and some of it settles. So if he gives you shemen, so you take out 3 lug. He gives you 100, you give him 97 back. Why? 1.5 is shmarim, is the sediment that he left with you, and 1.5 bala. V'imay shemen mizukak. But if the oil was pure oil that he gave you, and eino mosilo shmarim, then it's only 1.5. Then you only deduct the 1.5 that are absorbed. But you don't. He didn't give you sediment. Imayu kankanim yishanim, and if they're old kankanim, old jugs, eino mosilo bala, they've already absorbed everything they can. So you don't deduct that as well. Same thing for wine. It applies both to wine and to oil. Rabbi Yehuda says, not only that, it's the shmarim. The rule of shmarim don't only apply to mafki, to a shomer. If you sell pure oil to your friend, you deduct 1.5 log for every 100. If you sell shemen and you give him from your chaviot shemen mizukak, you give him pure oil. Okay, even if you sell shemen mizukak, it's understood that he's really buying 98.5 log, not 100. We won't know he pays for 100 because he has to pay for the shmarim that he's not getting. Machmad sharim v'chol mea log. Ein alahak Rabbi Yehuda. Rabbi Yehuda says that's Rabbi Yehuda's opinion that the shmarim are included. The Chachamim argue, say no. If you buy shemen mizukak, you don't want to pay for the shmarim. That's included in the price of shemen mizukak, and you don't get 98.5. You get the full 100 log. Stop here. Dedicate our learning to memory, my friend. Harav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a good day.